I took what was given in terms of the 1/6 white, 1/3 magenta, 1/2 ultra, and I got a common denominator. So that's 1/6, 2/6, and 3/6. And that's the same thing for mixture 2, just for different colors. And the next thing I did, we have six parts, and we want to end up with 300 milliliters. So 6x equal 300. So that's x equal 50. So that means my parts here for mixture 1, this would be one piece would be 50. And then, so it's because it's in the mix, it's in the form of 1 to 2 to 3. So 50, and this would be 100, and this would be 150. And then over here is the same thing, 50, 100, 150. 3/6, half of it. Half of 300 is 150 is how I got those. And my total of the magenta, total magenta is 100 plus 150, and that's 250, and that would be over a total of 200. So 250 over 200 is 524. And so choose magenta would be 5, and ultramarine would be 4. Because my ultra was 150 and 50. That gives you 200. That's where the 200 came from.